Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the topic of how to cancel payment in PayMaya 2025. If you've ever accidentally sent money or just changed your mind on a transaction, you're in the right place. PayMaya has updated its interface for 2025, making it even more user-friendly, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, why would you need to cancel a payment? Maybe you spotted an error in the amount, or the recipient isn't responding. Whatever the reason, PayMaya allows you to handle this quickly, as long as the payment hasn't been fully processed. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the PayMaya app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your device's App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Log in with your credentials, your registered mobile number and PIN. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions, or History, section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your recent activities. Scroll through until you find the payment you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the details. Now, look for an option that says, Cancel Payment, or something similar. It might be under a menu like Actions, or More Options. Not all payments can be canceled, so PayMaya will check if it's still pending. If it is, go ahead and select Cancel. You'll be prompted to confirm, so double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm, and voila, the payment should be reversed. Keep in mind, if the transaction has already been completed, you might need to contact PayMaya support for a refund. A quick tip: always review your payments before confirming them in the first place to prevent issues. If you run into any errors, like the app freezing, try logging out and back in or restarting your phone. There you have it. That's how you cancel a payment in PayMaya for 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, saving you time and hassle. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and stay connected.